Here is my simple, easy, delicious carrot and nutritious carrot rice ready. And you can have it with a little lemon juice sprinkled on top, and you can pack it for lunch. It's very easy. Welcome to Meda's kitchen. I have some, today I'm making carrot rice. I have some rice from the morning. So for the evening, I thought I will cook some carrot rice. It's a very nutritious one. Let's start with some oil in the hot pan, and we are going to add some whole spices into that. Definitely the one teaspoon of cumin seeds, half teaspoon of black pepper. Into that I'm adding 3 green chilies and some stem of the coriander leaves, adding little bit of onion, into that I'm adding ginger garlic paste, chopped up ginger garlic. It's not paste actually, about a teaspoon. It's a very easy dish. We are going to add some grated carrots. This is 3 medium-sized carrots grated. Let's saute this for a minute, and you know when it is cooked, the little bit color change happens for the carrots when it is cooked. I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of salt. We didn't add much any of the spices in it other than the green chili, black pepper, so we don't need much salt for this dish. This is leftover rice from lunch. I'm reheating it, adding a little bit of butter or ghee. Indian cooking is always ends or start with a clarified butter ghee. This will give a nice flavor for the rice. Mixing the butter with the rice. I'm not using much. It is very half a teaspoon of butter, which will give the flavor. I'm going to stir it up now. This is our easy peasy carrot rice. This can be used as a lunchbox recipe and very nutritious. I'm going to switch off the stove. It's already cooked very well now. Just mixing it. The rice is ready. And final thing is a little bit of coriander leaves, and we have a nice rice ready here. Here is my simple, easy, delicious carrot and nutritious carrot rice ready. And you can have it with a little lemon juice sprinkled on top, and you can pack it for lunch. It's very easy. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, subscribe and share this video with your family and friends. Thank you.